So, Will, does somebody need a prototype in order to get a patent?
No, you do.
That's the short answer, but stick around for the long answer.
Yeah, the short answer is no. However, in order to obtain a patent, you file an application, and that application at least has to describe in words what the invention is, all right?
So you need to be able to describe it at least.
Yeah, and you would have drawings as well that go along with that written description that would further explain what the invention is. And so, imagine if you had an invention that was a part of a rocket motor,
Sure.
something that goes into space. I don't think that you would build your own satellite rocket in order to test your invention. So, yeah, conceptually, you don't need to have the prototype, but you really should have an idea of reducing it to practice, even if it's just on a piece of paper.
But there are good reasons to get a prototype made, especially for those inventions that aren't on that scale, right?
Agreed, absolutely. And so what you want to do is, if you're able to build a prototype, again, we suggest you do that. And why are you doing that? You want to kind of work out some of these design issues, get to some level of specificity around, elements. Things that are unique to your invention that you would like to claim or put into your patent application. The other thing you could use your prototype for, and I always suggest this, is it's a great early marketing tool. And so it doesn't, it may not exist in its final form, the way that we would think of, the beauty and aesthetics of what our designs are going to be when they're on a shelf, right?
Sure.
However, to an investor, or to partners, it can actually show them how the invention is supposed to work. So that's, cases where your prototype is very important.
Thanks, Will. And if you have questions about your new invention, call us at Verna Law, vernalaw.com, or 914-908-6757. Thanks, Will.
Thanks, Anthony.